What are the most common reasons for a divorce in South Africa? Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. Today we're going to be looking at what are the most common reasons cited by spouses for a divorce in South Africa. Number one, irreconcilable differences. This is a legal term that people often cite as a catch-all for things like parenting styles, different goals, different attitudes and values. Essentially, this is where we're coming down to compatibility. Partners are saying, we're not on the same wavelength anymore. We're speaking a different language. Number two, the usage of money. Divorcing couples often cite money as one of the primary reasons for a divorce. The reason why is one partner's view of money and the other partner's view don't match up. Usually they fight over who's spending the money, how is the money spent, etc., etc. Number three, constant conflict. This is one of the major toxic red flags of a marriage. Couples are arguing about different things like power struggles, lack of equality or balance, lack of an identity of the partners. The next one is infidelity. Where there is an affair, the wound is quite clear. Both parties cannot live with that, and it depends on whether you can trust the person again. The next major reason for a divorce is lack of intimacy. And this is not only about not having enough sex, but it's actually about emotional intimacy, where parties don't feel connected anymore. There's no love, there's no bonding anymore. The next major one, unfortunately, in South Africa is abuse. And this extends more than physical abuse, but it's also shaming, emotional abuse, causing anxiety to your partner, the way that you treat them, maybe you belittle them, etc., etc. These are grounds for a divorce. Let's take a look at addiction. And this goes into alcohol, gambling, drugs, where one of the spouses is having a major addiction and refuses to be treated. That's a red flag. In summary, there are many grounds for divorce and many reasons why couples are getting a divorce. If you are thinking about it, you need to carefully consider what is driving you towards this. Remember, if you are in an abusive relationship, you have the right to live a happy life. And if this person is not serving your growth and holding you back, how long are you going to continue this? Another 20 years, 30 years? Only you can make that decision. If you need help evaluating that choice, talk to us. Click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.